Well, I'm here at Elk City, Oklahoma. Picked up a couple of hitchhikers back here. And the plan today is going to be to roughly take some of the Antelope Hills route. There's going to be more information in the description about that. But we're going to hit some back roads, take that route, and see what we find today, and find somewhere to camp tonight. Well, we're just out here hitting a few back roads and decided to check out something on the map that I had never checked out before, which led me to a road that I didn't know existed, and found a neat little camp spot. And while we were out there, found another Oklahoma YouTuber that doesn't live very far from me, which is kind of a small world. But he was able to give me some tips on a few other places to check out. So, like any great trip, I'm gonna change the plans. We're not gonna follow the route. We're gonna go out and see what we find today. We're still gonna camp about the same area we would have ended up. You know, it's not a lot of change there. But this Black Kettle area definitely needs some more exploring. I'm gonna have to come back here in the car. That way I get good gas mileage, and at least scout out the different sections of land that may have roads still on it that I can travel, and then come back with the Jeep and explore a little more from there. But it's about 1 o'clock now, so we're gonna continue on. We'll stop, cook some lunch here in a little bit, and keep seeing what we find today. So I'm just hitting some random WMA land areas, and we're finding a few roads that are open, and even more campsites I wasn't expecting. Gonna have to come back and map these out though for sure. A lot of neat land in here. Every trip I have that one find. Today it was thanks to a tip, but check this out. this was a railroad track. I don't know if you can see up on this hill. And off on the side down here in this river, they must have had an erosion problem. So they cabled all these cars together to stop the erosion. But it's a neat little area. There's the boys fighting to put the tent up. Typical brothers fight about everything. Took my hat off, it's getting hot out here, but as you can see, got the tent set up. We stopped and ate lunch, quick hot dog lunch there at the Dead Warrior Lake. The wind was just so bad there, it wasn't worth camping. So we moved down here to the Spring Creek Lake, which I don't know, 10 miles up the road. And there's not as many people here. The wind's not as bad. So I think this is gonna be camp for tonight. Probably gonna go down and do some fishing here in a little bit, maybe. Definitely gonna get in some shade and get a chair set up. You can see there is some camping areas down here, tables, grills and stuff. We're under a burn ban, so we can't use none of that. There is water in the water spigots. None of the campsites are right on the lake. However, on the other side, there is a primitive road that has spots right on the lake, but there was people over there. So you can't park on the grass, so we're limited to spots like this. There's a couple here, a couple down at the end, as well as a vault bathroom down there. But for free camping, this national grasslands, Black Forest, the Black Kettle National Grasslands, lots of nice camping options. Lots of wildlife and stuff too. There's a couple of hiking trails around here in the area. May check that out here in a little bit. But just gonna hang out tonight. May not do a lot of footage. I'll try to get some astrophotography tonight if the stars cooperate, but we'll see. But just wanted to get the boys out here and have some fun. So of course they're fighting with each other, but boys will be boys, brothers will be brothers, right? So I've just been hanging out at camp, talking, listening to the turkeys. I don't know if you can hear the turkeys, but there's some off back there. But just been hanging out. The boys are down there by the lake. They've been playing in the mud and sand and throwing rocks and having a good time. This is gonna be one of those videos that I don't film as much as I want to. But that's perfectly fine. You know, came out here so the boys would have a good time, and they're doing that. So I'm gonna cook some supper here in a little bit and just kind of chill. I'll try to get some footage of that. If not, I'll stick some pictures in here. Probably just gonna hang out, go to bed. May try to get some star photography tonight. It's clear skies, so if they pop up, I'll try to get something. But it's been a good little break, you know. Not every trip turns into what you want. You don't always get to film what you want. But you got to take them and enjoy them. And got to take the Jeep, hang out here. I haven't fished, haven't done nothing I was gonna do. But sitting around hanging out, it's fun. Weather's nice, the wind's died down, it's warm. It's gonna be a nice night. So if you're on the fence about getting out, just get out there. You know, make a rough plan, and if plans change, go with it. It's been fun. The kids are hanging out, playing with the telescope, looking at the moon. But definitely can't beat the weather today. It's warm. Should have been in shorts. Tonight I'm gonna be sleeping in shorts. So good trip though. Good morning, everyone. I'm all packed up and the boys are down there working on getting their stuff packed up. But it was a nice night, just chilled. Weather was great other than a little bit of wind and stuff. But we're gonna head out here, maybe hit up a few back roads on the way home, see what we find, but just mosey our way home and get home and get some stuff done at home. So if nothing else happens, this will be the end of the video. But I know it's a short one, but sometimes you just got to get out and have fun and relax and put the camera down every now and then. But it's been a good trip, had a lot of fun. But yeah, thanks for taking the time to check out this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, do all that good YouTube stuff, because it really helps. And hopefully I'll see you out on the trail someday.